Hello my friends, today I'm going to compare two absolutely different photo cameras, Nikon D5500 and Nikon D40. There are two cameras from different digital age, having different matrix type, and let's compare them. So there is my D5500 paired with Nikon 35mm 1.8G. It is nice lens, and probably it's the best lens to compare those cameras. I will set ISO to 200 both, because Nikon D40 has base ISO 200. Let's go shooting and do some comparison later. Let me start shooting from this wind machine. Now let's move to this chimney. And finally, let's do some close-up of these flowers.